How to watch Netflix with friends on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can watch Netflix with friends on your phone, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to watch Netflix with your friends right from your phone, it's very simple, but keep in mind that Netflix does not officially provide you this option. What you have to do is you have to make use of a third-party app so that you can watch both at the same time together, even though you are far away from each other. So for that, what you need to do is first of all open up your app store, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iOS, and then you simply want to download this application which is called Rave, and this is the exact app you want to download, which is Rave Watch Party Together. Once you download it, I'm just going to go over and then open it up. Now you basically also need to sign in or create a Rave account in this case, but you can simply continue with Google or anything if you're not really that sensitive. In this case, I'll just select continue with Google, and then I'll just choose a random Google account of mine. Then once I choose a Google account that I want to use for this specific account, what I will do is it will take me to this page over here. So basically you can see all of the people who are watching together right now. But if you want to watch yourself and then invite your friends together with it, then you can just tap on the plus icon from the bottom right. You can choose any platform you want to watch with your friends. In this case, I'll just select Netflix, and then it'll take you to a page where you have to first log into your Netflix account. So keep in mind to simply sign into your Netflix account over here. Once you enter your Netflix login information, just tap on the sign in button and it will successfully sign you in to your Netflix account. Now you simply have to select the show or movie that you want to watch over here. Then all you have to do is just tap on the play button which you see. Then once you tap on the play button over here, you can just begin watching Netflix. Now the next step what comes is that we have to invite our friends, right? So what we will do is now we will just tap on this little plus icon and this little profile icon from the bottom right. Just tap on it, and then you want to make sure that your friend has also downloaded the Rave application on their phone. They also want to make sure to sign into the Netflix account, and you have to simply enter the Rave username and just search for the friends and contacts, and then you should be able to watch together with them. This is simply how you can go ahead and then watch Netflix together with friends. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.